Hello and welcome to another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. Hi, I'm Bud Kluick, founding and managing partner of Family Law San Diego. Today's topic, move-away cases. Understand when we talk about move-away cases, we're talking about parents who want to move away out of the county or out of the state of California with their children. And it doesn't matter whether it's a little move just across the border to the next county or a far away move. We have had disputes moving to the next nearest county. We also have had disputes that went to court about moving to Japan with the children. The same rule applies. You have to have the other parent's permission, an agreement in writing, or permission by the court. Now understand, there's no question that you, the parent, can move away. In fact, you have a fundamental constitutional right to move. The question is whether or not you can move with your child or your children. The reason why there's such a difference there is because moving with the children affects the other parent, the co-parent. Additionally, it affects the children's access to that other parent. So there are other rights involved, not just the parent who wishes to move away. First thing about a move away is try to get agreement from the other side. Why would they agree to such a thing? Well, maybe you can induce it by giving them some breaks about child support, or make sure that you've taken care that they get plenty of time with the children during the times that they're out of school. Try to get an agreement. That is preferable. And if you get an agreement, the judge will go along with that agreement if both mom and dad agree to it. Now, the basic rule in California is that the custodial parent has a presumptive right to move away. It's better if the custodial parent has substantial custody, like 70-30, 80-20, something like that. If it's 51 or 49, it's a close call. Now, understand you have the presumptive right to move away if you are the custodial parent, but presumptions in the law can be overcome. It's called technically rebutting the presumption. If you can't get an agreement, you may need to go to court. The basic rules about move away were decided by the California Supreme Court in a 2004 case called La Musja. If you look it up, it's capital L, small a, capital M-U-S-J-A. It looks like La Musca, but it's pronounced La Musja. There essentially are 8 criteria that judges have to use, which include what you might expect: stability and continuity of the custodial arrangement, distance of the move, the age of the kids, the age of the children, the relationship with both parents, between the children and the parents, the reasons for the proposed move, and to the extent that the parents are sharing custody. If you wish to have a copy of the 8 criteria, please contact Family Law San Diego. So if you wish to move away, the first struggle is to become the custodial parent with as much custody as possible. It's really tough if you do not have custody rights to try to first establish custody rights and also ask for move away in the same proceeding. A lot of people, when they first got divorced or separated, agreed to 50-50 custody because, after all, there are 2 parents. They both contributed the same amount of DNA. Why shouldn't they have the same amount of custody? Understand that if you have it in the back of your mind that maybe move back someplace back east or move out of the county, agreeing to 50-50 custody will largely doom your move away request in the future. And even if a move away is granted, please don't move the U-Haul up to the front door yet, because there is an automatic 30-day stay if any move away involves moving out of the state of California, pursuant to Code of Civil Procedure, Section 917.7. If this all sounds very complicated, it is. It's one of the most complicated areas of the law involving family law. So please contact us. We give a free half-hour consultation. If you have questions about move-aways, please contact us. Our phone number is 619-448-6500. I'll repeat that in a slightly different fashion. area 619-448-6500. And our website is www.familylawsandiego.com. That's www.familylawsandiego.com. No breaks, no dashes, no dots. This is another in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego.